It will start with holding the temples, which are level with the eyebrows, and in a dip that your fingertips will just fit into. Rotate slowly as you take long, slow, even, deep breaths. I like my client to have her hands on her belly like it is, one hand over the other. It creates another connection. Just breathe long, slow, even, deep breaths. And now your thumbs will naturally be in position, one over the other, to apply pressure to the governing vessel points on the top of the head. These points here are the 100 meeting point, where my thumbs are. And then progress. And notice that my body is leaning as I'm applying gentle pressure to the top of her skull. If she or my client was a he, had an intensity about them and liked deep pressure, that's what I would give. So from here, your hands will come apart so that they're just thumbs width apart. Lean into all these points. These are the bladder meridian points on the top of the head. Very powerful. These points are known to open up your sense of smell. You may have clients who have lost it. And it can be regained by pressing and releasing these points.